Okay, dear student, next questions. What kind of condition satisfied? We can check it. Then here equate to this for standard form of quadratic equation. Say x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Where a equals to how much? 3. B equals to minus 4 root 3. Then c equals to 4. Now use the equation for finding the roots are real. Minus b square minus 4ac equals to 0. In the next b is how much? Minus 4 root 3 square minus 4. A is how much? 3. C become 4 equals to 0. Now here say power will come inside. So if you want, write down minus 4 square minus 4 square minus 4 square say into root 3 square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48 equals to 0. Then here square root and square of 4 is 16 and here square root cancel, 3 is remain. Minus 48 equals to 0. 48 minus 48 equals to 0. Then see here 0 equal to 0. What kinds of condition here? 2 equal roots. Write down here 2 equal real roots. Say this is where we can find out the condition.